back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna compare two handbags from Louis Vuitton. They both are Amo BB. One is the Amo BB in the Epi leather and the one is the Amo BB in the Ampang leather. In today's video, we're gonna compare their size, capacity, features, some model shots to show you the style of those two handbags. So lastly, I will also talk about my thoughts of those two handbags, which one I prefer. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So before we going further, let's just compare their size. From here, you can see those two handbags, the size wise is very similar. According to the website, the lengths are the same. Neo Amo BB is a little bit wider than the Amo BB in the Epi leather. According to the website, the Epi leather is a little bit taller than the Neo Amo BB. Feature of the Amo BB in the Epi leather, as you can see, the one I have is the black color with the silver hardware. It is made by High leather, and which is very durable and also very structured. It is a very low-key handbag. If you don't know the Louis Vuitton, you probably don't know where this handbag comes from. Only little bit in the corner they put it at LV. It bottom has the 4 feet open like that. Does feel a little bit stiff when I open this bag, as you can see, and that because it's a very structured leather. Interior is the microfiber, and the back there has a back pocket. Also come with the lock, also come with a cassette, come with the removable strap. This strap you can see is very thin and very small. The strap length is 22 inch. The silver hardware. The strapper is adjustable. So this is basically a feature of the Amo BB in the Epi leather. So now we're gonna come to the Amo BB in the Ampang leather. They call the Neo Amo BB. As you can see, it's very durable as well. Come with the gold hardware. It also have the cassette. Bottom have the 4 feet, also gold hardware. Here you can see the Louis Vuitton powders. Inside also the microfiber lining. As you can see when I open it, how soft it is. The opening is way bigger than the Epi leather one. Back there has a back pocket. This back pocket also bigger than the Epi leather. It also comes with a lock. It also have strap. This strap length 20 inch, also adjustable, gold hardware. So this is basically a feature of the Neo Amo BB. So next thing we're gonna compare is their capacities. So now I fill everything into the Neo Amo BB, and those some are essentials, some is not. I will show you what's inside, and then put it to this one. See how much Epi leather Amo BB can fit. Here is everything into the Neo Amo BB, and here is the one lipstick case, reading glasses, my iPhone 11, mini pusher, Victorian wallet. I have the key clay, pocket organizer, business card holder, 6 key holder, and my Chanel perfume, and my charge. This is a cell phone charge. I also throw into this bag. So it's like that. It fits so many things. Now we're gonna pick up the all essential first to the Epi leather Amo BB. See how much Epi leather can fit. So we will go start with the Victorian wallet, my 6 key holder, my cell phone iPhone 11, pocket organizer. Now some of you ask me why I have a pocket organizer. This is for my transportation car holder, so I always take the pocket organizer. Key clay for coin, and the reading glasses. And this is my business card holder. I think I can put the one lipstick case. I don't think I can put the perfume anymore. Maybe I can try put it there. So I have, oh, not too bad at all. See, this is everything I put it. And what is not going inside is the mini shirt and this bigger cell phone charge. It doesn't go in. So overall, this is not bad at all, and it still can fit a lot. Even though the zipper is a little bit, wonky, but I think I can manage it. And normally I don't bring the. Let's just take out the perfume. See if zipper will look better. Still a little bit wonky, but I think it's okay. I put everything, all the essential at least, so this is not bad, I can say. So the overall, the capacity is okay. So the next thing we're going to talk about my thoughts of those two handbags. I love the epi leather because it's a structure. It looks very elegant. This handbag you can handle, you can wear as a crossbody, and because the strap is very long, so basically you can wear as a crossbody instead of the shoulder bag. The shoulder bag is really long on my body frame. I don't use this as an everyday bag. I feel this handbag is a more occasional bag. I just feel so elegant and classic. That's why I love this handbag. I will never leave it on my collection. When I'm getting old, I'm more like the handhold bag, even though I used to be not a handhold person. For the price wise, this one is a reasonable price. Now when we come to the Neo Amo BB, the reason I purchased this one, that this one also you can wear as a handhold and also wear as a crossbody. The strap still a little bit longer on my body frame. That's the only thing I don't like. I wish they can make the strap as adjustable so we can make it as a shoulder bag. I love this bag. The reason I purchased this bag because I want to get a small bag, fit a lot of stuff. This is the bag for me. As you guys see, it can fit so much. So definitely this can use as an everyday bag. When I use as an occasional bag between those two, I will pick the Amo BB in the epi leather. When I use the everyday bag, I will pick up the Neo Amo BB as an everyday bag. That's how I use both of them. For the price wise, I do feel it is a little bit pricey, but compare with the other Anpan leather handbag, this one's still reasonable because you have to think this handbag can fit a lot of stuff. Even though both bag is made by leather, but when I think them, I use them in the different occasions, so I think it's still worth to purchase. This is how I feel. So this is all about today's video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you very soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.